you today? I'm very excited because I'm going to be sharing with you one of my most recent projects. This project was very fun to do, and I'm actually obsessed with how it turned out. I think this is one of my favorite projects, so you're in for a treat. You're in for a treat. But yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into this because I can't wait to share it. I cannot wait to share it. So let's go.
I'm Nasa Sweeney. I live in Castlebar, originally from Achill, and I own Sweeney School of Motoring.
How did you come across JMC?
So I found you, James, through a link on Facebook. One of your friends had shared a post. I think it was a link to a YouTube video, and it was a redesign of a bedroom, and I absolutely loved it. It was stunning, absolutely gorgeous. So what prompted me was the fact that I had toyed around with changing it myself and redecorating myself, and realised that I was unable to achieve the look that I wanted. I'm in this house 13 years and redecorated it more times than I care to remember and never got the result. So I put up wallpaper, I took down wallpaper, I changed cushions and never got that luxurious feel that I hoped to get. And that's why you're here, James.
No pressure. And what's your vision for this space? Like when you walk in and it's all done, what do you want to feel? What do you want to see? Like what's...
I want luxury. I want wow. I literally want that timeless look, that it's not a trend that we've followed, that it's a luxurious space just to kick back and relax and truly be content. Rather than that feeling of waking up going, oh, you know, I wish I could change that, or why didn't I do this? So yeah, I want timeless, luxurious, relaxed feel to this room.
What's like something that you really want? Like what's the most important aspect of the space for you?
Yeah.
Is it built in?
Yeah, there were a couple of things. So I had this vision of a really big headboard. I really wanted to get a window seat. I just have a vision of me sitting there reading my books, drinking my cup of tea or whatever. You know, that was my vision. They were two things that I definitely wanted, and you know, with some of your ideas, I can't give any away, but with some of your ideas, you've even enhanced the space further. So it'll be lovely. I can't wait to see the finished look.
And excited for the process and everything to come?
I am. I'm excited because every week I'm receiving these boxes of gifts from you. It's like Christmas every week. So yeah, I really am. I'm excited. I'm loving the fabrics, the samples. I'm enjoying the process. It's fun actually.
I'm just going to show you my most recent project and what we're going to be doing with it just before all the trades come in next week and get working. So you ready to come in? Okay, so as you can see, it's a lovely sized room, nice light. And this is very exciting because we're going to add like a big headboard over here, which is going to run wall to wall. And it's going to be tufted and just really luxurious. And then we're going to be putting wallpaper then from that to the ceiling, putting new wall sconces in, art, the beautiful new pendant light up here. Like it's going to be gorgeous. On new bedding, some throws, cushions, new side tables. I cannot wait to show you this. Wait till these come and you're going to actually die. They're so nice. They're like solid brass. They're gorgeous. And then we're going to get a window seat built in here with like integrated drawers. So it's going to be that kind of panelled front slash front, whatever you want to call it. And then they're going to push open, so you're going to push and the door is going to pop out, which is very exciting. And then we're painting all the woodwork in this beautiful kind of green colour. It's cardamom green from Farrow & Ball. It's one of my favourite green tones because it's a bit of a grey in it as well, and it just goes with everything, and it's not something you get sick of. And then really exciting, I'm out of breath. We're going to add in a built-in unit here. So we bring this TV down to about this height, just so when you're lying in bed it's easier to see it. And we're going to put in two kind of open shelves underneath, moving this switch completely, moving this one to the side, And it's gonna look amazing. Get some nice books and stuff to put on the shelves. And then over here we're gonna add in a lovely mirror. I've already ordered it. It's beautiful. New rug, and yeah, it's gonna be, oh, new curtains actually, sorry. The curtains are getting made and they should be here next week, and a new curtain pole. And they're this beautiful like linen fabric. I just cannot wait for everyone to come and show you everything that's getting done. Okay, so for this space we wanted to create something that was very luxurious, very relaxing, very calming, and just very, 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 very nice. So to do that, we had many different elements that played a factor in this. We had wallpaper, fabrics, paints, hardware. Like there's a lot of factors that go into this. So for the wallpaper we picked, I just really love this. This is where the whole kind of concept came from, was this wallpaper right here. I just saw it. It's from Little Green Company. I saw it in Albany, Castlebar, and was on display, and my eyes went straight to it, and I was like, that is it. I'm going to use this in a project. And then this project was the perfect one to introduce it to, because the space was there, the concept was there, and I just think it would be a nice, really nice fit. And I just loved all the colours in it. So we kind of went off this, and we we're going to get some curtains made. So I'm thinking like this, kind of like a linen kind of fabric, very organic, very natural, kind of picking up the colours in the wallpaper, which is nice. And then we're going to go simple with the walls, so just going to go like a white colour. So I'm thinking strong white from Farrow & Ball, just because it's a nice kind of mid-tone white. Like it's not white, and it's not like grey either, which is nice. It's very fresh and very bright. And then I love, my favourite green colour is Cardamom Green from Farrow & Ball. Right here, I think these are really nice together. And it almost like picks up the green that's in the wallpaper, which is nice, because there's so many different tones of colours in this wallpaper that it's just so nice to work with and kind of pull them colours out and create like a well-rounded space. So then we're thinking of doing like a window seat, which would be nice, but I want to get like a cushion made to go along the whole thing, and for that I'm working with the Curtain and Fabric Studio, so shout out to them, they're amazing. Hi Joanne, you're a lifesaver. So they were lovely enough, we got some samples sent out just to kind of see it all together, and I picked this beautiful, it's Alvar Forest from Clark & Clark. It's gorgeous. It's just like the way the light hits it is just beautiful. I mean, you can't really see it on camera, but you'll see it when it's in the space, and it's all done and gorgeous. But I just love all these together. I just think they really create like a well-rounded concept and space. Also for the headboard, we're getting it made in this beautiful grey fabric. Just because I wanted like a neutral headboard, just so like in time it can transition into any style and any colour scheme. So if my client wants to change it up in 5-10 years time, it's possible to do that without replacing the whole headboard or getting it reupholstered. It's just a nice neutral, and because the headboard is costing so much, it needed to be something that was easy to kind of work with. But yeah, I just love all these together. And then like imagine it with brass and the like black frames and like all the like accessories. It's going to look absolutely fabulous. So that's the concept kind of material board for this space, because we are trying to capture that luxury element, and very relaxed, very calming, and very serene, because I think a bedroom should be relaxing and calming, because like realistically this is the space where you go to after your long day of work. You don't want to have to think about anything. You want to be able to shut off, maybe light a candle, read a book, relax. And yeah, that's the concept. So let's get like this, let's get moving, let's get all this into the space and see what it looks like. Okay, so we just placed the kind of window seat to see what it's going to look like. It looks pretty cool. So we went with like 50mm kind of panels, each of them are 50mm, which is really nice, just kind of adds that more kind of contemporary look. And then this is the drawers. So these are going to be attached to each drawer. Oh, there we go. So then each drawer is like push open, so you just push and it pops open, which is nice. And you can also Oh, you can also kind of close it. Oh, oops. And a soft close as well, which is really nice. These are just amazing. Like, yeah, let's pop them closed. So they're gonna be, there's 3 of them along there, which is really nice. And then we're getting like the cushion to kind of go along the top, which is gonna be amazing. And then the curtains. And then as you can see, the electricals have been done. So these are for the wall sconces. Lovely, like 2 either side here. And then we have a dimmer switch for each of them, which is like amazing. I'm looking through the camera. And then yeah, so the bed will be coming out in the next couple of weeks, I think. So I'm also waiting for the built-in here to go in. I think that will be going in about, I think it's this week. I think it's going in this week. And then the paint is coming next week and getting all of this room completely painted. It's gonna look amazing. So yeah, window seat.
I would have never ever picked the colours, the fittings, you know, it's just unreal. Yeah, there's nothing I would have changed because I would have never even came up with anything close to this had I done it by myself.
Yeah.